Ellie, open your eyes. I have a surprise for you.
Whoa! A giant Hello Kitty surprise egg! Hi, it's moving! Whoa, there's definitely something inside. I'm gonna crack it. I can't crack it with my foot. Wow, Hello Kitty!
Hello.
Welcome to Kitty Toys Review. Ali, I have some baby Hello Kitty toys for you. Yay! Ooh, a tumbling rattle. Ooh, a see me mirror. Rocking stacker. Soft activity blocks. And stretch and grow. Hello Kitty babies, are you excited with all the new toys we have?
Are you girls ready to open the Hello Kitty baby toys?
Yeah!
Okay, which one do you want to open first?
Rocking stacker.
Okay, open it up.
Ooh. Ah, her head fell off.
Oh no, you broke Hello Kitty's head. Where's the body?
Over here. Put her head back on. Oh, it looks so cool. She spins around. Whoa.
Wow, that's funny.
She looks so cute. Ela, do you want to play with this? Yes.
Oh no, the head's off again. Are you doing the stacking?
Yeah. Look, a mushroom.
A mushroom. Whoa, mushroom hat. That's funny. Stack it back up. And where's the head? There it is. Get Hello Kitty to give it a spin. Whee! That's fun.
I like my new toy.
Hello Kitty likes her new stacker.
Yeah.
She's hugging the toy. Ready to open the next toy?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Soft activity blocks.
Okay, open it up.
Ooh,
What's inside the box?
blocks.
Wow, that looks so pretty.
Wow.
How do you play with them?
So this one goes first. It has these. Whoa. And this one goes like that. And this one is a mirror.
Okay, stack them up.
This one. It's stacked up.
Does Hello Kitty want to play with them too?
Yes. Ooh, new blocks. I'm gonna put this one there. This one has an apple, a teddy, a mouse reading a book, Hello Kitty and flowers. Ooh, something fun to play on. Ooh, this is a duck going side to side. What's this last one? Oh, a mirror. I'm gonna look at myself. Ooh, I look pretty. Ellie, let's open the tumbling rattle. Okay, let's open it. Open the tumbling rattle. Wow, she looks pretty, and she has a mirror on her belly.
Open her up.
Yes. Whoa! She is pretty.
That's a pretty rattle.
Rattles over on the side here. Ella, do you want your Hello Kitty baby to play with the rattle? Yes. Oh, I like it. Hello Kitty wants to play with the rattle.
Oh, that's so cute. You're on the rocking chair.
Yes.
Whoa, rocking Hello
She
Kitty.
looks comfortable to me.
What colors are on the rattle?
Green, yellow, red, blue. Hello Kitty. Good night, Hello Kitty. Annie, let's open the stretch and grow. Okay. Whoa!
Oh, it's a stretch and grow Hello
Whoa! She looks really pretty. Ready to be scratched.
Kitty. Wow! Whoa, what a stretch. Whoa, careful, don't break her. Oh no, don't break her.
Whoa!
Whoa, what a big stretch.
Whoa! Ready?
1, 2, 3. Whoa, what a big stretch.
Whoa!
Whoa, what a stretch.
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa, everyone fell down. What a stretch.
That's a gigantic stretch.
Careful. Whoa, fell down again.
Now she's doing the splits.
The splits. Who else can do the splits? Can Ellie do the splits? Whoa, how about Ella? Can Ella do the splits?
Whoa, I can do the splits.
Whoa, painful.
She can't do it.
You know who wants to do the splits?
Who?
The other Hello Kitty baby. She wants to do the splits.
Yeah, I want to do the splits.
How does she do the splits?
Yeah.
Whoa, what a split.
Yeah.
What about the other Hello Kitty? Can she do it too?
Me?
Whoa, not really. Can the other Hello Kitty do the split too?
Yes.
Let's see.
Whoopee!
Whoa, what a split.
Now let's see if all of them can do the splits at the same time.
Everyone's doing the splits.
Whoa! Except for me. Oh. Yeah! They're all doing the splits.
Everyone's doing the splits.
I'm going to grow again.
I'm going to grow.
Grow, 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 grow!
Careful. Whoa.
Grow! Grow! Stretch! Grow! Let's unstretch it and stretch it again.
Okay, get ready for the biggest stretch ever. 1, 2, 3. Biggest stretch in the world. Whoa. Everyone fell down. Ella's the winner. Are there any more toys to open?
Yes, see me mirror.
Wow, see me mirror. Open it up.
Whoa.
Take it out.
Whoa, it's pretty.
What animals are on there?
A puppy.
Is that a badger?
Yeah, it's a badger. And 2 Hello Kitties.
Wow, that's so pretty. Can Hello Kitty see herself in the mirror?
Wow.
Wow, I can see her too.
Beautiful.
There's 3 Hello Kitties now.
Yeah. And another one. 4 Hello Kitties. 5 Hello Kitties. 7 Hello Kitties.
Whoa, so many Hello Kitties.
And 8, 9.
9 Hello Kitties. So many. Everyone's sleepy. I think Hello Kitty has to go to bed now. Take her into the bed. Quiet, quiet. Take her to bed. I think she wants to sleep.
Hello Kitties are ready to sleep, let's rock the cradle.
Whoa, that's too fast. They're gonna get dizzy. Slowly.
Good night, Hello Kitties. Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bell breaks, the cradle will fall. But Mama will catch cradle and all. Bye-bye, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more fun videos with Hello Kitty. Bye!
Wow, Hello Kitty is waving bye-bye. Wow, that's so cute. Good night, Hello Kitties. Oh, they wake up already. They woke up already. It's too noisy for them. They woke up already.
You're funny.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Please subscribe to our channel. Please watch some more of our videos.